With the rise of cryptocurrency came the advent of another field, gaming tokens which paid crypto for playing games. And as play-to-earn formats became increasingly popular, you'll want to stay updated on the best tokens to watch out for in 2022. Want to know more about the best gaming tokens for 2022? Keep watching this video for all the interesting details. So let's begin. Which gaming tokens should you watch out for in 2022? The crypto market blew up to exorbitant heights back in 2011 when Bitcoin arrived, leaving a slew of new millionaires in its wake. And since then, even without any governmental protection, the industry has only expanded, with new young and old investors finding their way to blockchains in a bid to make quick money. One of the newest ventures to blow up have been NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, and gaming tokens. The latter has become especially popular because, let's be honest, who doesn't like the idea of being paid to play games? The P2E, or play-to-earn format, has become the newest crypto trend, and it has attracted millions of people to invest. Leading this charge is none other than Generation Z. With the industry reported to have doubled in the past year, there are new tokens arriving every day. Just the first half of 2021 saw gaming companies able to raise a whopping $476 million, and this number's only going to go up. If you're one of the people looking to start investing but don't quite know where to start, then you've come to the right place. We've compiled a few of the hottest new gaming tokens that everyone's going to be talking about in a few months. Now's your chance to invest early and reap the benefits. Next, AXS and PAC return to be the next big thing. Considering how many gaming tokens there are these days, it's easy to get confused. We're talking about your money here, and you obviously need to be careful with it, but that doesn't mean that there aren't any tried and tested tokens users swear by. For one, there's the AXS. It's based on a game called Axie Infinity, which has been called the Pokemon because of how popular it's becoming among earners. The game is peer-to-peer, and players get money just for playing, including any rewards. Players are paid in the currency AXS, which can be used to buy Axies that are characters in the game resembling NFT tokens. There's also the new Pac-Man Frog game, which is aiming to revolutionize the industry. The PAC is trying to bring about a Web 3.0 by creating a decentralized community. It'll feature a gaming NFT marketplace, an NFT launchpad, and a user onboarding platform. With a whole new blockchain and NFT ventures to attract financial investments, PAC promises to be the next big thing. The new tokens are still in the pre-sale stage, all set to be listed on the exchange soon. And seeing as they've already started making so much noise, we've got a pretty good idea of how popular they're going to be. Sandbox and Robo Ape among the best gaming tokens. If you're hesitant to invest in tokens that aren't out yet, relax. It's natural. After all, money doesn't come easily to most of us, so it's smart to be cautious. That said, two of the most popular gaming tokens which already have a reputation and are only going to go up from where they are the Sandbox and Robo Ape tokens. Sand is a cryptocurrency that was introduced back in 2017 and currently has a market value of $2.4 billion. It's listed on major exchanges like Binance and Upbit and is one of the earlier advancements made for the GameFi industry, meaning it was specifically designed to work best for the gaming and decentralized finance niche. The digital currency supports several transactions at a time and has cheap costs per move, making it a dream for gamers. It also has its own blockchain, allowing developers to create dApps catered to the platform, providing its sand currency for both in-app purchases and player rewards. Other than Sandbox, Robo Ape is definitely one to watch out for. The platform has recently been trying to establish its own esport platform, an industry that has experienced its own boom in recent years. With a platform for players to play more P2E games and leagues for all skill levels, it's a venture that's going to attract a lot of financial investment. From prize money to endorsements and sponsorships, the scope is unbelievable. Next, L-Block and ApeCoin, another good option. Another gaming token to look out for is the L-Block, which has been projected as the next big thing in the cryptocurrency world. It's created to increase transparency and trust with gamers, and its major appeal is in the sponsorships that it has already given out. Platform recruited boxers Dillian White and Florian Marcoux, and their fights featured them decked out in Lucky Block merchandise. With a current price of $0.0015 and a market capitalization of $56 $37 million, the token is bound to be blowing up soon. The Ape coin is also one of the most popular tokens, the Ape being called one of the major tokens attracting and empowering potential investors. Ape coin holders have access to a DAO, or a decentralized autonomous organization, where they can vote on how the platform should be run. It bumped up to a $27 value, and now it sits in the $15 range. The market capitalization of $4 billion, its launch in March, was a big thing. With how many gaming tokens there are these days, there's no shortage of investment options, with other popular choices being the Decentraland, Engine Coin, Star Atlas, and Gala Games. It's a good idea to be thorough with your options. Now, in other news, will the Luna currency be revived? Some time ago, the Luna currency, now called Luna Classic, faced a $40 billion crash that left the cryptocurrency industry reeling. Its crash caused a domino effect, which led to market-wide crashes that caused losses of up to $300 billion to the industry, with Bitcoin falling below $25,000, various other top cryptos losing large percentages in a matter of hours. The collapse was caused by an algorithmic stablecoin, TerraUSD, or UST. It relied on code and the cryptocurrency Luna to maintain a value of $1. However, as digital currency prices fell, investors pulled out of the UST, which caused it to collapse below $1. Due to the codependency of UST and Luna, it resulted in Luna also crashing rapidly into the trenches, something it never recovered from. Supporters of the Terra blockchain event voted to revive Luna, but not the so-called stablecoin TerraUSD. The revived version of Luna has a new iteration, which investors call Terra 2.0, and it is currently live on major exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, and Huobi, but its price is already crashing. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, says it will list Luna on Tuesday. Luna, after reaching a peak of $19.53, dropped to $4.39 hours later before settling on the price of $5.90. How is Bitcoin recovering after the market crash? It has been a disastrous month for crypto markets due to the collapse of the cryptocurrency Luna, which caused a substantial crash in the industry. Bitcoin almost had to face an extension to its 9-week-long losing streak, but it was scarcely avoided after the crypto jumped to $30,723 for 7 days in the later hours of Sunday. Although a slight rectification brought Bitcoin down to $30,594, it was still a 5.5% increase on the last day. Although the latest news is a step in the right direction, Bitcoin is still down 18.63% currently this month, after a 17.3% loss in gains in April. After the recent collapse of TerraUSD stablecoin, investors seem to favor Bitcoin, saying that the staple cryptocurrency has the greatest growth outlook. The CEO of social media trading platform Alpha Impact, Hayden Hughes, has said that markets are long overdue for a relief rally. Bitcoin just went through 8 consecutive weeks in red territory, got oversold to levels traditionally only seen at the bottom of bear markets. What remains to be seen is whether the largest asset in the industry will maintain this momentum. The rest of the market was almost in green as well. Cryptocurrency Ethereum was up 6.6%, trading slightly above $1,900. Other cryptos like Cardano gained an 11.8% surge, and Solana was up by 8.3%. Lastly, Token.com taking steps to broaden reach. Tokens.com Corp is a publicly traded company that invests in Web3 assets and businesses focused on the metaverse, NFTs, DeFi, and gaming-based digital assets. Its subsidiary, Hulk Labs, has made many prudent hires and bought new gaming assets. Hulk Labs brought James Hewitt, who has been conducting deep analysis and building in-depth calculators for play-to-earn games for the past year. These tools will help game developers improve their economic models and help investors assess which games and tactics can provide the highest returns in investment. With Alice Huang joining as head of operations, they'll be scaling up even faster. Their P2E game, Prabata, is the 24th most popular game and has over 12,000 wallets, and they're looking to launch further projects soon. That's a wrap for this video. Which gaming token will you be investing in this year? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.